So in this short video, we're going to talk about recognising prime numbers. So the first thing to remember is a prime number cannot be divided by anything other than 1 and itself. So straight away, what we have to, the 1 is slightly awkward, but 1 is not a prime number because it only has one factor. And 2 can be divided only by 1 and 2, so 2 is a prime number. 3 can only be divided by 3 and 1, so that's a prime number. Okay, so I write the factors there. The only factors are 1 and itself. 4 and any other even number can be divided by 2, so no even number other than 2 is prime. We're going to cross all the even numbers off. Now, look at the numbers that are left. If there's nothing that goes into them other than 1 and themselves, then they are prime numbers. So I will circle the prime numbers. Now 9, although 2 won't go into it, you have to check will 3 go into it. And 9 is 3 3s, so 9 is not a prime number. 11, well 11, only 1 and 11 go into 11. Alright, 3s don't go into it, 4s won't go in, because if 4 went in then 2 would go in. So that is not a that is a prime number, as for the same reasons as 13. 15, well 3s go into 15, so that's not a prime number. 17, there's nothing that goes into 17 other than 1 and 17, so that is a prime number. And the same for 19. Now there are no patterns with prime numbers, so you really need to know your multiplication tables, particularly your 3 time tables, your 5 time tables, and your 7, to spot whether you have prime numbers or not. So let's go on to something slightly harder, and we'll rule out all the numbers and see whether we can determine, we'll rule out numbers that are even to start with, so 40, 42, 44. I should have said, look, we're looking for prime numbers between 40 and 50. So 46 won't be prime, neither will 48, and neither will 50. So we're left with 41. Now 41 is not in any of your multiplication tables, so it is a prime number. Alright, if you can find something that goes into 41, which you can't, then you would have said, yeah, it's prime. Not prime, but there is nothing that goes into 41, and I think you'll find that you can't find anything either that goes into 43. Now you should know that anything with a 5 or a 0 on it is divisible by 5. So 45 is 5 times 9, so that is not prime. There's no number that goes into 47 other than 1 in itself, so it is prime. And with 49, you should know that is a square number. 7 goes into it. So if you know your 3 times tables and your 7 times tables, that will help you spot numbers like 49 in this case and 45 there. So 49 is not a prime number. So our answers then, the prime numbers between 40 and 50 are 41, 43 and 47. So I hope this short video has helped you understand how to recognise prime numbers.